Welcome to the second part of ZED editor video. I'm going to continue from the area where I just left off. So one more thing, I want to show the basics, like in VS Code or PhpStorm, we just want to open any file, we just do command P. Let's suppose I want to open the env. We can search in the whole project via this search project files as well. We can do the inline searching in the specific page via command F. Okay, we can replace anything like others editors have. Okay, so these all basic things are common in this ZED editor as well. One more thing which I want to show is the channels. You can join any channel, you can do collaboration, you can ask queries from the experts from the community. Like, let's suppose I'm here, I have joined this channel, I just sent this message, please welcome me, I'm new to this channel. So after covering this area, let's go back to the documentation. It has ton of things, like we have covered multi buffers, code completions, channels, git task, remote development. In remote development, you can do any server, you can access any server via SSH, and from your local ZED environment or editor, you can do the changes in live server code area. That is for remote development. You can change the environment variables as per your requirements for tasks, for built-in terminals, etc. Okay, then what type of languages it support? You can see all the list of languages it supports. It has Java, JavaScript, JSON, Prisma, Python. Each and every language is listed there. So I hope so I have covered the very basic details in my video. So please give a like to my video and follow my channel, uh, so I can bring same videos, same type of content in future. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.